Taking a look at today's interest rate markets, let's look at the 10-year note futures as they're continuing to move higher today. 10-year note futures trading higher for a third consecutive session today, and we're looking at the futures market pushing up towards the one-week high, currently priced at 113.18, which is basically the highs of the session. Markets realizing continued buying pressure as we move through the week, and I think one of the driving factors is the Fed. Now, we've had a few Fed officials speaking so far on rate policy earlier this week. Tomorrow, Fed minutes come out, and then Friday will be the speech by Fed Chairman Powell at Jackson Hole, much anticipated speech. But based on some of the dialogue and some of the expectations, it does appear that the market's starting to believe that the Fed could move 50 basis points at that September meeting, and I think that's why you're seeing the markets continuing to move higher. And that's being priced in to some degree at this point in the week, as we, again, will have other things that could influence the market heading through the second half of the week. But nonetheless, we're continuing to see some buying pressure here, and the yields are moving lower. 10-year yield is down 5 basis points today to 382 basis points. And we're looking at the buying pressure on the short end of the curve a little bit heavier than the back end of the curve. So 2-year below 4% today at 399 basis points. So again, that's down about 7.5 basis points on the day. So that inversion has come in a little bit here the last couple of sessions, as we're seeing the front of the curve being bought a little bit heavier than the back end of the curve, taking out some of that inversion. For today's action, we're looking at about 2.5 basis points coming out. So buying pressure across the curve, 10-year note futures moving back towards a one-week high as the markets anticipate the Fed minutes and Fed Chairman Powell speaking at the end of the week.